Jain students, today we are going to start a new lesson of class 3rd EVS. That's name is Flying High. There is given some birds. We start. On my head I have a crest all see. I dance the best of my feathers. I am proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. So look at this picture. This is a peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Okay, write down here peacock. Long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. I pick and eat all the mice. The dash is what you call me. It's a eagle. Okay. Now my feathers are green and beaks red. Guava and green chili, I am fat. I love to copy people's voice and keep making a lot of noise. It's a parrot. Black are my feathers and black is my color. Cow, cow, I do all day long. That is a crow. Kuhu, kuhu is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Dash is my name. Cuckoo. Dead animals I do eat, making place clean and neat. High up in the dash I fly. Fly क्या करते birds? In the sky. Vulture is what I am called by. Now, my beak is pink, feathers grey. Guttergoo I'm go on all day. In houses I make my home. A dash is how I'm known. Pigeon. It's a pigeon. My beak is very special. I use it like a needle. Stitching leaves I make my home. The dash birds is how I am known. It's a sparrow. In trunk of trees holes I make. Hidden insects I intake. Tuk tuk I work all day. The woodpecker is what people say. It is a woodpecker. Now students, today we are discussed about different types of birds we see in our environment. So birds, insects and bats are the only three groups of animals that have the ability to fly. Now look at this picture. Birds, insects and bat are the only three groups of animals that have the ability to fly. Now they are able to flap their wings and lift their bodies through the air. Okay. Now let us study about birds' body structure. The bird's ability to fly gives it an edge over other animals. It helps them to escape from danger. And catch and find food easily. The birds find their food easily. They can build nests at places beyond the reach of land animals. This is a nest. Now, all birds have feathers and wings. All birds have feathers and wings. Now look at this. The big feathers on wings and tails are called flight feathers. These feathers are attached to hollow bones. Okay. These feathers are attached to hollow bones. These are strong muscles attached. Look at this. Attached to birds' wings are called flight muscles. The tail's feathers help. These are the tail's feather. The tail feathers help the bird to change direction during flight. Now let us study about their wings. The size and shape of a bird's wings depends on the type of flying it does. Okay. Waders like egret and herons have long wings that are pointed backwards. This gives them speed and help them to glide. See this. It helps them to glide. Soaring birds like eagle and vulture have broad and long wings. Look at this picture. Eagle has long wings and same as vulture. It also have broad and long wings with large feathers. This gives them control as they soar high above the ground. Most of seabirds have long, thin and narrow wings. Long, thin and narrow wings. Small land birds have to beat their wings almost all the time, so they have small and light wings. Look at this. Now we are studying about feathers. Do you know all birds have feathers? Yes, all birds have feathers. There are 4 types of feathers. They are down feathers. They are small and fluffy. Look at this picture. They are small and fluffy. These feathers cover the bird's body, the whole body, and keep it warm. इन feathers से bird की पूरी body cover होती है and ये इसको गरम रखते हैं. Now body feathers. They are bigger than the down feathers. These are the down feathers and these are the body feathers. Body feathers are bigger than the down feathers. Okay. Now these are the flight feathers. They are on the wings which help the bird to fly. These are the feathers. Look at this. These are the flight feathers and they are on the wings. These are the wings of this bird which helps the birds to fly. Now tail feathers. Look at this. This is a, do you know? This is a peacock. It is our national bird. They are also long feathers and helps the bird to slow down. Look at this. Long feathers, it helps to the bird to slow down. Now we are going to study about the beaks. Different birds have different beaks. Look at this. The shapes of a bird's beak depends upon the type of food it eats. Okay. The beak depends, the shape of beaks depends the type of foods they eat. Now, as you know, birds don't chew their foods. Students, we chew our food now, but the birds don't chew their food and they don't have any teeth. Look at this picture. They used their beak to to bite, to tear, or to crush the food. Look at it in this picture. It used his beak to crush the food. There are different types of beaks are. There are different types of beaks. First one is curved beak. The parrot have curved beak to eat fruits. Look at his beak. Parrot have curved beak to eat fruits, to crack nuts. Okay. Crushing beaks. Sparrow and pigeon have short, hard beaks to crush grains and seeds. Do you see on your terrace? Students, have you ever seen while eating grains a pigeon in your balcony or nearby places? Now the third one is piercing and tearing beak. Flesh-eating birds like kite, eagle, hawks have strong, sharp and curved beak for eating flesh. Okay, students? Kite, eagle, hawks. They have strong, sharp and curved beak for tearing flesh. Now, shifting beak. Ducks have a flat and broad beak. Look at this. Broad beak with small holes. Look at, there is 2 holes on both sides, this side and this side. The bird dig up food from the mud. The mud and water pushed out through the holes in her beak. Now, next one is probing beak. The hummingbird, the smallest bird in the world, has a long beak. Look at this. This is a hummingbird. It has a long beak. It drinks nectar from the flower with its beak. Okay, students. Next one is chiseling beaks. Bird like woodpecker, this is a woodpecker, have a strong, long and straight beak to peck at the wood and eat insects present in the wood. They also used it to chisel the wood to make an hole on the tree which serves as nest. Kingfishers. The kingfisher's beak is like a dagger. It catches fish by diving into water. Look at the kingfisher. It catches fish by diving into water. Now, birds like crow have multi-purpose beak, allows it to eat fruits, to eat seeds, fish, other animals, insects. Crow have a multi-purpose beak. Now, that's all for today, and we will continue this in our next class.